Monkey's Realm! Just got the Only Up update. I might be a little bit late. I actually don't know. I just saw it. I just went into it, and I saw Only Up. So I'm going. You know, I love my Only Up. I'm gonna try to beat this. Also, if you watch my Monkey's Realm Only Up video, I did beat it eventually. I put on my badge. I'm always wearing it now. Okay, it doesn't look that tricky. It's honestly kind of... Hey, these are big rocks in PvP. Oh, but this is so tiny! Oh, the guns from PvP. Honestly, I don't feel like there's that many items to actually use for this Only Up in this game. Because I don't feel like it has that many items. Like models. How do I... Oh. I think I know. Yes. Oh, how did I do that? Eh. What the heck? Oh, I almost got stuck. Game modes. Oh, shop Halloween. Oh, there's a PvP sign. I'm guessing that's a skull mask in the shop right now. I actually don't know if this is my first Monkey Labs video. It might be. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get content creator in this game. I didn't read the sign how to get it, but I know it's a thing. I actually don't know how to get it. I'll read it after this video. What's in the reflection? It's not what's up here. What if it falls down there? Plungers? Oh, there's galaxy items. Galaxy balloon, galaxy capybara hat, galaxy pet, which looks like a loaf of bread for some reason. Oh yeah, on Halloween I'm gonna make a Halloween special. Just letting you know, a Halloween special video. I'll just be in like playing Gorilla Tag and stuff. I just got a notification, so your audio should be gone for a second. Okay, it should be back on now. Oh my gosh, I almost fell. Ah! Oh, that is what? No! What is this? Oh, there's a timer. Okay, I'm timing myself. I'm gonna try to speedrun this. Even though I haven't beat it, I'm just gonna try to speedrun this because... I mean, I knew I wasn't gonna do that first try. Like, I couldn't do that first try. Okay, so... Oh yeah, just letting you know, wait, what am I letting you know? What's in here? Over here, up, oh my... I accidentally slapped my mom. She was walking past me and I slapped her. I don't know if you could hear me. Hear her. But I accidentally slapped her. Okay, I'm not gonna fall this time. Okay, I remember how I did this. Wait, do I remember? Ah! Oh yeah, I like. Wait, how did I do that? Oh yeah, I like got a hand up here. Yes. Okay. Oh my gosh, I almost died. Speedrun music. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, I'm almost at where I fell last time. I think I'm gonna make a part 2 to this. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna make a part 2 to this. To this. I hope there's like a only up badge at the end of this. Are you kidding me? You kidding me? I didn't even have to climb on this. I could just. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I almost died. Ah! What the heck? Okay, can I walk on this? I'm scared. Okay, I'm gonna try to jump on that. Let's go. Ah! No! No! I'm still alive. That red thing is spinning so fast. Also, I made it past. How did I get flung? Okay. Oh, I can't jump back up there. Okay, whatever. Part 2 coming soon. Bye.